If you have defaulted on your loan amounting to more than 25 lakh rupees, there is worrying news for you. The Reserve Bank of India has issued final rules requiring banks and other lenders to hunt down willful defaulters with outstanding non-performing assets of 25 lakh rupees and more. This means there will be higher scrutiny for defaulters on loans exceeding 25 lakh rupees. The move aims to tighten the screws on those who deliberately avoid repaying their loans. Now, RBI's new guidelines mandate that banks must scrutinize all NPAs over 25 lakh rupees to determine if they qualify as willful defaults. Now, a willful defaulter is someone who can repay the loan but chooses not to, diverts the loan fund for the purpose other than those sanctioned, or disposes of the assets without informing the lender. Under the new rules laid down by RBI, banks have 90 days to align with these guidelines. They are also required to share data on willful defaulters with credit information companies or CICs. This data sharing is crucial to prevent defaulters from exploiting the financial system by applying for loans from different banks without being detected. Now, once a potential willful default is identified, a committee will issue a show cause notice to the borrower, the guarantor, promoter, director, or any other person in charge, asking for an explanation within 21 days. The accused party will also be given an opportunity for a personal hearing. If the committee finds evidence of willful default, the borrower will be officially declared a willful defaulter within 6 months of the account being classified as an NPA. Now, being labelled as a willful defaulter has severe consequences. Lenders can initiate criminal proceedings, publish the defaulter's photographs in public forums, impose penalties, and bar them from receiving any additional loan for 1 year after their name is removed from the list of willful defaulters. Moreover, any entity associated with a willful defaulter is also ineligible for new credit facilities. Lenders must also ensure that no person whose name appears on the willful defaulter list is inducted into the board or management of any borrowing entity. Additionally, banks are required to send lists of large defaulters to credit information companies, who will then publish this information on their website, increasing transparency and accountability. Before transferring a defaulted loan of 25 lakh rupees and above, lenders must conduct a thorough internal investigation to check for any willful default. This measure will ensure that defaulters cannot really escape scrutiny by transferring their debt to other financial institutions. The RBI's stringent rules on willful defaulters aim to create a robust financial system where accountability and transparency are paramount. These measures are expected to curb fraudulent practices and ensure that borrowers repay their loan and maintain integrity of the banking sector.